If you want to be more attractive, you must watch this video. Success with people depends on 5 things: your appearance, voice, attitude, interest in others, and honesty. Based on each of these 5 things, I'm going to share with you 5 simple steps to building a magnetic personality. These are research-proven methods to help you become more popular socially and prosper in your career as well. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Look your best. The number one thing on which we judge other people, whether we like it or not, is physical attractiveness. Facial features and physique are determined by our genes, and there's little we can do to change them. But hey, there's a lot more to physical appearance, and you can certainly enhance your looks by focusing on your health, body language, and dress. A healthy lifestyle can help achieve a more invigorated look, decreasing stress in life, ensuring adequate sleep, taking up exercise, giving up smoking, and eating a healthy diet can all rejuvenate your skin and boost your bodily appeal. Body language is also crucial. Attractive people are known for their friendly demeanor. They smile more often, animate when they talk, and exude a sense of warmth. They appear confident but sociable, assertive but respectful. Try emulating such body language. You don't have to wear expensive garments to look charming, but you must be well groomed and always wear neat and clean-cut attire suitable for the occasion. There's research evidence to suggest that we tend to like those people who share our sartorial taste. Keep this in mind while deciding what to wear to a meeting with someone important to you. Generally speaking, dressing more formally is better in the workplace. Step 2. Sound appealing. In addition to physical appearance, voice quality seems to be very important in determining interpersonal attraction, as shown by many research studies. 2 things are important in this regard: voice frequency or pitch, and speech rate or speed. Within limits, in both genders, voices with a lower pitch are considered more attractive than voices with a higher pitch. A person with an attractive voice may be perceived not only physically desirable but also competent and credible and dominant, all traits for success. People who sound attractive are also reported to have a slightly more than average rate of speech. In other words, they speak a bit faster. Although voice is also determined genetically to a large extent, you can still train your voice to sound better. Morgan Freeman, the famous American actor, is considered to have one of the most attractive voices. He claims his vocal success to be in part due to an acting course at college in which he received voice training. Step 3. Be interested in others. A boring person can exasperate you with their nasty habit of constantly talking about themselves or irrelevant things. This person often enjoys his own talk, even laughs at his own jokes, and seems captivated by his own stories, but is totally unaware that the person in front is being bored to death. An interesting person, on the other hand, is always fun to chat with. Such a person is the life and soul of every gathering, and all the people love their company. What then distinguishes a charming conversationalist from a dull chatterbox? 2 things: the ability to talk about things that interest other people, and the ability to listen rather than speak constantly. Remember, the art of conversation is more about listening and less about talking. If you wish to be an enchanting talker, learn to listen to other people. Be willing to discuss things that they want to be discussed. Learn also how to respond when someone says something. The secret of having a magnetic personality is to be able to listen carefully and respond positively and supportively without ever being judgmental. Remember, most people do not want your lectures. They don't even want your sympathy. They just want you to listen to them and try to understand what they are going through. This is not easy, but once you master this art, this will open the doors of everyone's heart to you. Step 4. Have a positive attitude. A positive attitude toward life can contribute to your well-being and make you more desirable as a person as well. Research has proven that you can be considered more desirable if you display humor, kindness, and humility in your attitude. It's hard not to like someone who has a good sense of humor. If you want always to be surrounded by friends, learn how to say something funny at the right time. Kindness is also an incredibly attractive quality. Many research studies show that people value kindness in a partner above everything else. Being kind to others actually helps you more than others. Being kind to everyone will make you the heartthrob of everyone. No one likes an arrogant person. Arrogance often suggests underlying ignorance. Regardless of how good you may be otherwise, you can't leave a lasting impression on other people if you are rude. Humility is the true badge of nobility, and you must be humble to earn the respect of everyone. Being humble does not mean you should be self-deprecating. It simply means you don't think yourself higher than others. Step 5. Be fair and honest. Strong relationships are built upon trust. You can only trust someone who has integrity. Integrity comes from honesty and fairness. Dishonest people may trick others, but they eventually get discovered. Then they lose everyone's trust. Since they aren't trustworthy any longer, no one can rely on them, let alone feel attracted to them. Family members, friends, and co-workers remain wary of them. An unfair boss is hated by his employees, though they may not say it out loud. A dishonest man is loathsome even to his spouse and children, though they may not say it to his face. But honest and fair people are good and command the respect of everyone. They are trustworthy and everyone can count on them and consider them dependable. Even their opponent praise them for their uprightness. Honesty is the best policy, as it helps you to be more attractive as a person and multiplies your career prospects as well. Always remain honest and fair. People will love you for that. If you think this video was useful, consider subscribing to get more similar videos in the future. Thank you.